Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take a moment to show you guys our brand new 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This boat, we kind of can't get a hull shot for you, but it's in the optional Sea Ray blue hull color, so the navy blue, with a matching canvas top and white powder coat ski frame. I'm up in the bow. I wanted to show you the amount of space, right? So I'm 6 foot, double-sided lounges, storage under both. This boat is equipped with the bow filler option, so that cushion stores right there underneath the starboard side for us. We have blue track lighting integrated, as well as a bow table, and we'll show you a transom table as well. Ski locker in the nose, and this boat is also equipped with the optional windlass package. So we have stainless steel windlass up there. We'll move to the back to the cockpit here. Let's take a look at the helm. So we have a breakaway and walk-through windshield, dry storage underneath the helm, including our bow and stern tables. So at the helm, we have the Sea Ray or the Simrad 9-inch touchscreen with the dynamic dash, so all of your switching and lighting is integrated through there. We do have trim tabs, USB charger points, 12-volt charging points, access and switches to your windlass. The new Fusion stereo glass screen. So this is the Fusion stereo, and we have the upgraded stereo system in this one as well. Flip bolsters at the helm and at the passenger seat, but as well as these seats easily convert to accommodate our entertaining in our cockpit. So now we have full sectional seating all the way through. Dry storage, but as well as this box is a chiller box with a chiller fan over here from Dometic. Dry storage under our large access. Aft ski locker as well. Before we get too far to the back, let me show you guys the head. So we have a dry glove box over here with lockable latch. Upgraded head. Lit with a port light, sink, and dry storage in there. This boat also has the snap-in sea deck. So this is a new for us last year, but it's a thick foam matting that can be easily removed and go straight to the non-skid and or snapped in. It doesn't hold water, doesn't hold dirt like you did with the old vacuum style carpets. As we move back, this boat does have the optional battery charger. We do have the standard ski pylon. And again, this boat does have the tow arch that can be easily pull these pins and folded down for low bridges or low clearance in your storage facilities. Wet bar sink in the back here, quickly folds down and tucks away. As we go through the walkthrough here, moving to the transom, there is a starboard boarding step for those taller docks, as well as a swim up cooler right here in the transom. Also easy convenience, we have the pull-out shower. And I failed to mention there is one in the bow as well. So there's 2 sinks, 2 showers. We have the optional 300 in the white. This is the new V8 Verado from Mercury Marine. Please take note of this huge swim platform. So this is an outboard, but you don't give up any of the space as far as the convenience to come up to a swim or true ski style sport boat. We have pop-up lounge seats that can be easily elevated all the way across, but as well as allows us access to our transom ski locker. So we've got our prop store down there right now, but we can slide our boards from our entry as soon as we swim up from the deck in the back. We do have a 12-volt charging system over here in the corner, as well as cup holders. This boat is equipped with fender pros, which are the quick disconnect fender plungers that you can switch from port to starboard. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Again, my name is Dotson with MarineMax Charleston. If you guys have any other questions regarding this fantastic model, please give us a ring at 843-747-1889. Thanks again.